Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make WhatsApp stickers on your phone, so let's start the video. First, you have to open the link in video's description, which take you to this page. Now install this application. After installation, give permissions to this app. Now here you simply have to tap on this plus icon, then select the picture from your gallery to make sticker. There are some options. If you want to make rectangle sticker, then select that rectangle option. For circle, tap on this second option, and if you want to cut out picture by your finger, then select the third option. There are other options. You can erase and also restore selected area of picture. Now, moving towards next step, here you can add funny stickers to your picture. Here you can also add text to the sticker. I show you a demo here. And at the end, simply tap on Create, and you can see the sticker is successfully created. Now the question is how to add this sticker in your WhatsApp. You have to tap on this Export button, then tap on WhatsApp, and then tap on ID. The sticker is now added to your WhatsApp sticker packs. So by following all these steps, you can easily create stickers from images in your phone. That's it for the video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.